Oh, here we go. Espanyol away. We've done Turin, we've done Slovan, now to Espanyol. As you know, I couldn't get a ticket if you do follow my social media. But 4 days on the drink with the Wolves fans.
Oh, go on then.
Should be a good experience. I'll do similar things that I did with Slovan and Turin. Post what I can, and it should be a really good time. You never know, we might get into the ground, because I've heard it's €45 to get into the home end now instead of 90. So we might end up in the game, but if not, we'll be watching it with all the Wolves fans in a pub somewhere. So yeah, off to Birmingham Airport now, flying to Dublin, Dublin straight to Barcelona, and the same on the way back. Hopefully see loads of Wolves fans on the way, plenty of Guinness in Dublin, on the lagers as soon as we get to Espanyol. Come on boys, please like and subscribe if you're new, and I hope you enjoy my Espanyol away experience. Tuesday night, just arrived in Barca. I had a few cans of Heineken on the plane, and they said, "You want some glasses with the cans?" I said, "No, I can see already." Terrible. Anyway, yeah, so tomorrow, a few drinks with the Wolves fans, maybe even tonight. I'll pick this back up tomorrow, maybe even Thursday. Come on, Wolves. Vloggers! Familiar! The otter. Bear, don't worry. Thursday morning, yesterday was mental, as you'd have seen from the vlogs. It was all kicking off in the square, Wolves fans fighting each other, police slapping everyone. So yeah, let's get some more clips today. Come on, son. Ben, stand up. Look at the size of it. 6'5". He's like Tyson Fury. Your predictions, we're already 4-0 up. We're already 4-0 up.
We are. It's just going to be a bit of a laugh, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wherever you're going to be watching from, we're in the away end.
Yeah.
I don't know what it's going to be like. We get one goal and it's basically over and it's fine, and then it's 6. So
are you still looking forward to it even though it's over?
I don't know whether I'd want something riding on it or whether I'd want it to sort of like be a party like it's going to be probably. I'm going to say we're going to draw 1 or something. It'll be pretty boring. The result, as long as it's not 5-0 to Espanyol, the result doesn't matter. So it'll be alright.
People are in the ground. People like me are missing out. They love going to the Wolves. Look how many's in here. The pub's packed. We're all watching on the telly, lads. Espanyol. Come on, boys. It's already 4-0, but we're having a great time. See you at half time. Come on, Nuno, son. I think Neto should have shot from there. He should have had a shot. Just wide, but that was him. There we go then. Just in the airport on the way home. Got my new Barcelona top on. Didn't get as much footage as I wanted to, so I kept forgetting to get my phone out, but we ended up watching it in the pub, as you saw. Great atmosphere in the pub. Bit of a nothing game, wasn't it, because we was already through, but it's a great experience being in Barcelona. Very sunny. I did edit a lot of stuff out because I was just talking rubbish, so yeah. I'll leave you with some pictures I took. Follow me on social media at Harry Mansell on Twitter and Instagram. And the Wolf 77 Club too, we post a lot on there, so thanks for watching. Sorry if it's not as long as you thought it might be, but I got what I can. It was really enjoyable, and I'll see you Sunday. We've got Tottenham, huge game, isn't it? So please like and subscribe if you're new, and I'll leave you with some pictures I took whilst out here in Barcelona. Great few days. Come on Wolves, through to the round of 16, and the draw is in a few hours from now, so hopefully we get a good draw too. See you in a bit.